So I've known Garrett for 30 plus years. All right. I don't know. He was a difficult child. Okay. But we've watched him grow into an amazing young man.
Shweta, you look stunningly beautiful today, and you have made great choices. I'm really very, very proud of you.
Hey, baby. Oh, you're so beautiful.
You look so good.
You ready for this?
Yes, I'm nervous.
Garrett, you told me that knowing Shweta has expanded your horizons, that you admire how she cares about her own self-betterment and that of others, and how much she cares for you. Shweta, you shared with me that in Garrett you have found a true partner, someone who is your equal, who balances and complements you.
You know, I wrote in a letter, I'm not worried. I don't feel like this. You know, is there what ifs? We love each other. We're partners, and you know I found the right one.
Oh, I love you.
I love you. Let's
Are
do
you
this.
crying?
Not yet.
I'm sorry. Let's do this.
Thank every one of you for making this such a great occasion. I've met some interesting people. Some of you aren't interesting, but most of you are. And I really appreciate every one of you being here to celebrate this wonderful couple's marriage.
Garrett, with this ring, I give you my heart. I promise from this day forward, you shall not walk alone.
And that I will faithfully love, respect, and protect you forever.
Shweta, I could never imagine anybody more perfect for my boy than you. And I mean it.
Made it. You know, we're married tonight. Yeah. So
May you fully know your true self and that of the other. May you have love, and may you find it loving one another for the rest of your lives.